In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find who you follow on Amazon. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to see the brands and profiles you're following and how to quickly unfollow any that you're no longer interested in. First, make sure you're logged into your Amazon account on a web browser. This process works best on a computer, but you can also do it on a mobile browser using desktop view. Once you're signed in, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see a menu labeled Accounts and Lists. Instead of clicking it right away, move your mouse over it and hover there for a moment. A large drop-down menu will appear with lots of different options. In that drop-down, look for the option called Your Shopping Preferences and click on it. This will open a page that combines your profile information with different preference settings related to your shopping experience. It may take a second to load, especially if your account has a lot of activity, so just give it a moment. Once the page is open, scroll down slowly until you see a section labeled Who You Follow. This is the area that shows the different profiles, creators, or brands that you've chosen to follow on Amazon. You might see brand badges, influencer profiles, or other types of accounts here, usually displayed in a grid or list format. Take a moment to review the list. If everything looks good and you're happy with the accounts you follow, you don't need to do anything else. But if you see a brand or profile you no longer want to follow, you can easily change that from this page. To unfollow someone, click on their badge. When you're following an account, you'll usually see a small check icon associated with it. After you click, that check icon should change into a plus icon, indicating that you are no longer following that account. The change might look subtle, so watch for that small icon switch. Once you've made your changes, look for a save option on the page. Click Save to confirm your updates. This step is important because if you leave the page without saving, your follow and unfollow choices might not be applied. After saving, your Who You Follow section will update to reflect your new list of followed accounts. And that's it. You've successfully found who you follow on Amazon and managed your follows directly from your account settings.